Unlocking earnings with Kiri.Art, creating stunning AI images for free. Kiri.Art is not just your run-of-the-mill AI image generator, it's your gateway to unlocking creative potential and even earning money while doing it. This user-friendly platform offers an array of features for crafting captivating images. And here's how you can harness its power to generate stunning visuals and potentially boost your income. Kiri.Art at a glance. Kiri.Art is an accessible AI image generator that caters to both novice and experienced creators. It boasts several standout features that set it apart from the crowd. Text-to-image magic. One of Kiri.Art's defining features is its text-to-image functionality. With a simple text prompt, you can set the AI in motion to transform your words into visually striking images. Whether you're dreaming of a serene landscape, an imaginative character, or a thought-provoking abstract concept, Kiri.Art can help bring your ideas to life, opening up endless creative possibilities. Image-to-image transformation, Kiri.Art isn't limited to text inputs. It also offers image-to-image conversion. This means you can take an existing image and let the AI work its magic to turn it into something entirely new. Experiment with various artistic styles or give your photos a fresh look, all with the help of Kiri.Art's powerful AI. Flawless image in painting. Photographers and designers, take note. Kiri.Art's in-painting feature allows you to seamlessly fill in missing parts of an image. Whether your photo is partially damaged or contains unwanted elements, the AI can intelligently fill in the gaps, restoring your image to its complete and flawless state. Enhanced resolution and quality. For designers requiring high-quality images, Kiri.Art offers upsampling. This feature intelligently enhances the resolution and quality of images. Say goodbye to low-resolution or pixelated images. Kiri.Art can upscale them to make them sharper and more detailed, making it an invaluable tool for digital and print projects. Budget-friendly creativity. The best part? You can access these fantastic features for free. By creating an account and logging in, you receive 20 free image credits each day. This allows you to generate a significant number of images without any cost. Kiri.Art becomes a fantastic option for those on a budget or anyone looking to dive into the world of AI image generation without breaking the bank. High-quality results and customization. Kiri.Art employs the Stable Diffusion 2.1 model, ensuring high-quality and realistic image results. Plus, it provides you with options to input negative prompts and customize sampler settings, granting you more control over the image generation process. Conclusion. In conclusion, Kiri.Art is a formidable AI image generator, catering to various creative needs with its impressive features. From text-to-image and image-to-image conversion to in-painting and upsampling, it's a versatile tool that photographers, designers, and creative enthusiasts can leverage to enhance their work. With free daily image credits, Kiri.Art not only unlocks creative potential, but also provides an opportunity to potentially monetize your skills through stunning AI-generated visuals. So, dive into the world of AI image generation with Kiri.Art, explore your creativity, and see where it takes you. It's a must-try for anyone interested in the art of AI-powered imagery.